What's going on, guys? Welcome to DNA's Garage, and today I'm going to be heading out to the Junkyard. I have a few parts that I need for the engine rebuild, and I can't really buy them brand new, so I'm going to go and I'm going to see if I can find them in one of the engines that they have over there. So I just thought I would make a video about it, so let's head out over there. I'm here, I'm gonna pick up my tools, I got them in the trunk, and then I'm gonna head in and I'm gonna start recording inside with my cell phone since they don't allow cameras. So, there's quite a lot of Nissans, and I just found this one. It's on row like 16, but it's still pretty much everything apart, and I have to take the whole oil pan off. So I think I'm gonna move on to the next one. I don't think this is gonna take too much time. So I'm down here and I'm trying to remove this this bracket right here that holds the two mounts, and this bolt right here is being stubborn. And plus I got the exhaust in the middle because I didn't bring any wrenches, and I can't get those two loose. I got one of them, but the other one doesn't want to come off. So I'm gonna see what I can do. So after a while of banging and trying to get this oil pan open, I finally got to the jackpot. So I took the oil pump, which I need for my engine, and I need one of these oil jets squirter for my engine too, because mine is cracked. So I'm gonna take that. So here's a little bit of a junkyard trick. If you're gonna get underneath the car and it's all dirty, use the back seat so you can lay yourself and you don't get your clothes dirty, and try to avoid getting your tools dirty and all that. The oil jet and the oil pickup tube, and maybe I'll make some videos about how to install these, but that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Follow us on all social media for future updates. Thank you for watching.